Lani, we've known each other for more than 20 years. And for more than 20 years, you never fail to amaze me. You are my first love, and you are also my one true love. Now, in front of God and all these people, I am now ready to start an eternity with you. An eternity full of laughter and love. And I will be your happy ending.
Itong lalaking ito got to meet his classmate on grade 1. And on that day, one day, nagkaroon agad siya ng crush kay Lanivel. Here is the proof. In his mind, he still has a picture of Lanivel in grade 1. Hindi mawawala yun. Kahit na nakita nung tumangkad at tumanda na si Lanivel, in Joseph's mind is still a picture of a young girl with a little headband with a red ribbon.
Oh, death, where is your sting? 'Cause we'll be there singing.
5 years ago, I had a dilemma about love. Kung sinong mas pipiliin mo. Yung taong mahal ka or yung taong mahal mo. And then I realized any guy can tell me that he loves me. But when I ask myself, or kung yung taong mahal ko, there is only one person I think about, and that was you.
Ang proof na talagang nagbago na ang lalaking ito, inimbitahan niya ang babaeng ito sa Marinduque para umattend ng Moriones Festival. Holy Week of 2011. Doon, habang nag-Holy Week sila, habang nagdarasal sila, that God will bless them.
Bukod sa pangako, pagsama sa iyo habang buhay, sinasama ko rin ang pagkakong paglalaba kita, pagluluto kita habang buhay. And I will be your Prince Charming. I will defend you. I will love you forever.
new chapter of our lives as husband and wife, I promise to never give up on us, to always remind you how beautiful God designed our love story. I promise to continue inspiring you to be there always when you need me, to cook your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I promise to make sure that we will achieve our dreams together. I will love you not just till death do us part, but till life after death.